stay, the less I think stay.
Elevated above the coast, with views from Split to South Solitary Islands, this is coastal living done right.
Is it wrong if I'm thinking about you? When I lay in my little space.
A spacious, well-considered layout offering effortless lock and leave living, all within a beachfront complex, just 200 metres to the sand. If you're looking for space, views and easy living, this is one you need to see.